Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Chase Mortgage online account. To log into your Chase Mortgage account, first of all open a web browser and then type in chase.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Chase, from the main homepage, click on the sign in button on the right hand side of the screen. In the login area, type in your username and password associated with your Chase account. Once you type in your credentials, you can click on the sign in button. If you don't remember your username or your password, click on the forgot username/password link and follow through the on-screen instructions. After filling in the details and clicking on sign in, you will be logged into your Chase online account. Once you're signed in, access your mortgage tab and you will then be able to manage your mortgage service. That is how you can easily sign into Chase Mortgage. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.